Hello everybody, this is my unboxing video for a LightInTheBox tattoo machine accessory pack. So it comes in a cardboard box, nicely wrapped. There's a tattoo machine inside both separately, packed with some bubble wrap. And the accessory pack. This should be fairly quick and fairly simple. What I got. Handfuls of rubber bands. Looks like I got one spare spring and armature. 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys, 5 Allen keys. Looks like maybe, I don't know, about 20 20 O-rings, 6 Allen keys, is it? 1, 2, 3, 6 Allen keys. About 20 O-rings, maybe a little bit more, and at least 20 little grub screws. Don't know if you can see that. 10 or so, maybe 20 grommets. And that's it. So thanks for watching.